Good day, sir. My name is Christian Michael Pinar, and this is a topic, sir. What is OPA 90? OPA 90 is the Oil Pollution Act of 1990 is a United States federal law authority response to the Exxon Valdez oil spill in 1986. It significantly strained the nation's ability to prevent and respond to oil spill, and its increased liability those responsible for such spill. So this is number 2, sir. The key provisions of the OPA 19 in maritime SOPEP format, sir. A standard operating procedure of the environment's protections, what we call SOPEP, sir, outline how a maritime organization will prevent response to the pollution incidents. Here's a summary of OPA 19 key preventions formatted to reflect the structure of maritime SOPEP, sir. And this is a prevention, sir. Double hull requirements mandates the use of the double hull tankers in U.S. waters to reduce the risk of hull bunkers at the subsidence spill. Contingency planning required vessels owner and operational to develop the submit vessels response plans VRPs to the U.S. Coast Guard detailing position of the preventing and responsibility to oil spill. Their plans must include procedure requirements of the trained personally. So this is a concern crew training and the certification, sir. Sets standard for the crew qualification includes the drug and alcohol testing to ensure compliant 2.0 responser reliability. The compliance established strictly liberally upon parties owner operation for the cleanup. Coast Guard cause damage the natural resource and economic losses. Oil spill liability trust fund USLDF creates the $1 billion fund to financial cleanup efforts when the participants to unwilling to pay. So the National Contingency Plan NCP provides a framework or conditioned federal, states, and a local response to spill. Encourage Coast Guard Authority, example, the U.S. Coast Guard Authority to inform OPA 19 the responsible to spill. And this is the last, sir, 2.2 enforcement. Penalties in process significant civil and criminal penalties for the violation of the act. So, mo to kung mahatag nimo sa OPA 19, sir. Thank you. God bless.